Ever wondered if you can invest while paying off debt? Many people think they need to be debt-free before investing. This isn't always true. It's possible to manage both simultaneously. The key is finding a balance that works for your financial situation. Don't put your retirement dreams on hold indefinitely. Start planning for your future today. Think of it like juggling. You wouldn't drop all the balls to focus on just one. Similarly, you can juggle debt payments and investments. It's about allocating your resources strategically. This approach ensures you're working towards both short-term financial stability and long-term financial security. Remember, every financial journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. What matters is creating a plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed to personalize your strategy. This is why you need to unlock the power of employer matches and compound growth. One of the most powerful tools in your investing arsenal is an employer-matched retirement plan. This is essentially free money. Your employer contributes a percentage of your salary to your retirement account. Always contribute enough to get the full match if your budget allows. Think of compound interest as your money's superpower. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your initial investment and any accumulated interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions can add up significantly over time. Let's say you invest $100 per month, earning a 7% annual return. After 30 years, you'd have over $100,000. This highlights the magic of compound growth. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, you need to watch this. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can be detrimental to your financial health. These high rates can quickly snowball, making it feel like you're stuck in a debt cycle. Prioritize paying off these debts aggressively. Consider a debt snowball or avalanche method. With a debt snowball, you focus on paying off the smallest debt first for motivation. The debt avalanche prioritizes the highest interest debt to save money on interest charges. Choose the method that resonates most with you and your financial personality. While tackling high-interest debt, it's still wise to contribute something to retirement, even if it's a small amount. This keeps the habit going. Once you've paid off your high-interest debt, you can increase your retirement contribution significantly. You need to watch this if you struggle with finding your financial footing. Navigating the world of debt and investments can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start by creating a budget to understand your income, expenses, and where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and free up funds for debt repayment and investing. Remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the way. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial advisors if needed. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances. The key takeaway is to be proactive. Don't let debt control your future. Take charge of your finances by making informed decisions about debt management and investing. Your future self will thank you for it. Like, share, and subscribe for more finance-related content.